everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie, and I'm here again at the House of Tools workshop, and we got some new tools to show you today. But first we're going to talk about this. It's a Japanese company vessel, and this is a rechargeable ball grip screwdriver, high-speed model they call it, and this particular one is number 220USB1U. And basically, let's take a look at this here. So when you take it out of the box, what we have here is the power handle, a rechargeable cord for USB, and instructions. Do we need instructions? Probably not. We're tool guys, right? So, before I go any further, if you guys could like and subscribe, I'd appreciate that. And as the video goes on, let me know, have you used this particular tool? Do you like the tool? Do you not like the tool? Let's get a conversation started and talk about it. What this particular thing is it's a seamless two-way power screwdriver tip. And here I have some Vessel brand 1/4-inch bits, and you notice here it has a collar, and that's what you need to make it work. So any bit that you have that has that particular collar can be used in this, and it's got a little collar here also that retracts, and that's what locks the bit in. So we stick it in there, it's in there for good. So you lightly open that up, then the bit comes out. And here's the handle, and we have the forward reverse switch here, and here it's real easy. One way, the other way. And it's got a little light here so you can see what you're doing. Light's not super powerful, but in a dark cabinet, if you're working to put hinges in or something like that, it should work just fine. So, backwards and forwards. This thing is a 3.6 volt battery, and it's rechargeable, like I said, with the USB. And this has a 1200 RPM with no load. Sounds pretty quiet, feels pretty smooth. We'll have to take this out in the field and give it a test run and let you guys know how it works in the future. But if you're looking to speed up your work and you do a lot of production work, this is probably really nice. If you're working in a cabinet shop and you got a lot of hinges to put in or sliders, I can see this being really nice, especially if you have the holes pre-drilled in the wood. That way this should go in real nicely. I don't think it has a clutch. We'll have to give that a try in the future like a lot of power drivers do. But this would put screws in and out very quickly. So again, leave us a comment. Let me know if you've used this or not. And again, like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.